Galley RV Resort.
Our mascot, the alligator. Well, we're part of the rally. It's not as if we can't go in there. Which we're down the main road.
Galley RV Resort.
Hey.
One of the most interesting things is there are very wide sites here. As you may see the distance between the two coaches. It's pretty much standard for the park. You might also notice there doesn't seem to be any concrete patio. Everything is basically cow pasture.
Well, there are some pads up front, as we will see not too long. So
that is correct. The up in front, I think it was the very first section they built, but the second section they built, which is the back end, which we are looking at now, is just pasture.
Well, according to what they said last night, they said that they actually dug down and put a bunch of drainage and everything in, put the infrastructure in there, and then put down the grass on top of that. So it originally probably was pasture, but right now just the only reason resemblance pasture is just the residue that's on the side right now.
Well, I would agree with that. However, the drainage system seems to be very good because it's rained a lot here over the last few days. And the only thing I did notice is someone did get stuck with the rig in the mud, and the park did come dig them out. But not good when you have your Class A stuck in the your spot.
We're not going down every street here, but we're just giving you a good feel of the whole place. We have a certain path that we're doing that we are going to show on the park map.
Yes, the sites are very similar, so you get a good idea of the distance between. You can see people have had their awnings in because of the wind and the rain lately, but there's one with an awning there. You can see the distance. That's a pretty standard width in this park.
See some of the side street here. This is Hazelwood Lane. We're lying down here. And this is Southerly Lane. And we're making a right turn onto Lyndhurst Street. This is one of the main drives down here.
Interesting enough, most parks have anywhere 5, 7, 8 miles an hour. This one, the speed limit is 15 miles per hour. They do have a very large rec hall here that we'll be passing. One of the things, it's a very nice clubhouse. However, the one thing I would note is the acoustics in there was pretty bad.
The acoustics?
Acoustics.
Here's a view down these streets there. And to our left is Felicity Lane. Think of the YouTube celebrities.
And now on the right side, you see the drainage field, or one of the drainage ponds. As you can see, it's rained a lot, but it's basically an empty pond. They do have sandhill cranes here also.
Well, from this angle, you can see the mail room and the clubhouse. They do have a nice pool and hot tub that we'll show you in a little bit. And we'll also show you the laundry facilities. But our first stop along here, aside from showing you the side streets, is to show you where the dumpster is. And
one of the advantages of making YouTube is you make time for some of your personal things, like take out the trash.
I just figured it's there.
I guess I'm just blowing it today, folks.
He tries your best.
I need more coffee.
Yes. Alright, coming by here for a garbage pit stop here. Right now they actually have two dumpsters here. One has a trash compactor, the other one does not. And now we're on our way. We're headed toward the main office. And this is, we're on Recreation Circle right now. I'm not sure the name of that side street right there. There's a big blue there. And now we're going past Oaklawn Street. This one, go directly to the office, but we're showing the little corner over here. This runs alongside the main street out here. And you see there's maybe more semi-permanent residents here, I don't know.
Looks like they're here for a while. You can see tents, and like I said, you can still see the sites are quite generous.
Yes, it's certainly not packed in like sardines.
You know, my only objection is I do like my cement patio. I prefer not to park on the grass. But it is what it is, and overall, very nice stay here so far. They can't control the weather. They could, it would even be a better stay.
To our right is the office where we checked in. We're actually going to do a little skedaddle past there. This is actually where we would actually leave. Here is actually, here's where the check-in office is. And right now we're going past that. And let's see. What is this building over here? Is that a laundry room? What is that building?
I'm not sure. I think it might be a shower or laundry room. Yes, it is the laundry rooms, shower rooms.
I don't see a laundry, I just see showers.
Yes, okay. Shower rooms.
So it's just a shower room here.
Yes. And in the back is their maintenance shed.
It's a maintenance shed. And to our left here, these are the only concrete pull-throughs right here at all, left and right. And even these are maybe not as generous as the other sites, but they're pretty generous.
And these are pull-through.
These particular, yes.
Actually, I think the ones with the cement, with the exception of the one in the corner back there.
This is Graceland Lane, and we're just going on the loop now. There's one more street that lines up with the pull-through sites, and that's Tinsley Drive. Right now we're on Woodland Circle.
There is another drainage pond back off to the right. And like I said, there's no water in it, despite the fact that it's been cold, wet, and rainy here in Florida.
It dries out pretty quickly.
Oh, a few planters with feet.
And these are the sites along the loop here. I believe these are probably one of the first few sites that they did. So they do differ somewhat than the sites where we're at, where we're camping over there, and we're at 505. Directly toward the clubhouse.
Now there is a food truck here today. That's because there is a rally going on with Fleetwood, and they've had some food trucks in. Check out the park right here. Yeah, they're meeting in there. I would just do the post office, and suppose we're not going to show you the meeting room as it is being occupied by Fleetwood at the moment.
Well, we're part of the rally. It's not as if we can't go in there. Here is the clubhouse. Right now, we might go in there in a little bit, but first we're going to show you the laundry facilities and the mailroom. Here we're headed into the laundry facility. Wow, look who's here.
Hi, we're here Kelly over here at the laundry room. They got about 16 washers and 14 dryers, $2 to be your wash. And quite big, given some of the parks that we've seen. At least there's plenty of room.
Have sage plants, laundry baskets and folding tables, as well as a wet sink here, and some more folding tables on this side. How much did you say they were?
It is $2 per wash.
What about the dryers?
I am not sure. I believe it's a quarter, and I'm not sure if that's for 8 minutes. That usually seems pretty standard. And they also have. Yeah, it appears to be coins, and they also have separate washing machines for your dog bedding.
Here we go to the sand volleyball area. Looks very well maintained. Looks like it'd be a lot of fun, but it's a little cool right now. Wish we had time to play. And here's the doggy parks here. One for small and one for big dogs. And here is the pool area. Now, one of the YouTubers showed this. It wasn't really complete at the time. But here, this is on the back side of the clubhouse. And you see it's very well maintained. And there's the mascot across the way. There's the hot tub. What's really, really good here. Very warm and inviting. Let's go take a look at that mascot. Over here they have plenty of chairs. Oak Valley RV Resort chairs. There you go. So, and there's the pickleball courts over there. We'll see those in a moment. But here is our mascot, the alligator. Here we're going to go over to the pickleball courts. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, it looks like that's it's like 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. I was right, 12 pickleball courts. And a little pavilion here, a little PT hut above it to stay out of the sun if you need to. And this is all on the back side of the clubhouse.